Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with ruthierocks, Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. Today we have a returning guest, Mrs. Erin Pearson Mills of eXp Realty here. She's going to give us an update on what's happening with her family's ranch sale. An icon here in Las Vegas that we're all sad to see change ownership here, but and then also she's had some new tips on how to get your offers accepted from the buyer's side. So can't wait to hear from Erin here. But before we get to Erin, Ruth, what is happening in real estate?
I'm going to hide y'all in the lobby and so everybody can see what is happening here. So we're bumping along with about a month of inventory. Nothing really has changed in that department, which is a good thing. And we're selling about 145 homes a day in the first 3 days of December. So we're keeping up with the year. We're averaging 143 sales a day in the year. And this month so far, 145. Amazing. Last December was really a hot month, 174 a day for that month. For some reason, that was really going crazy. And if you look at the median price, it might give you some indication because the interest rates were really low last December and the median price was $347. So if you were lucky enough to buy a home in December of 2020, look at you made $57,000 of equity on your home based on the median prices. So that's a wonderful thing. We've got about 2,654 single family homes available. 642 of them are 400,000 and under, and we listed 27 400 and under homes yesterday. So we're percolating along. Everything's great. $1 million homes still flying off the shelf at 4 a day. Investors are buying 45 homes a day. And that's kind of the tail of the tape there.